Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general combined reading for air sign viewers. Okay, so basically this reading is going to be for Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Air sign viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Air sign viewers, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energy towards you. Okay, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energies, and the future potential of this relationship. Okay, so we have the Hierophant, the Death card, okay, Justice card, and Wheel of Fortune. So that's your partner's energies towards you. Your partner feels that you are being into some kind of a spiritual thing, okay, and you are not talking to your person, okay. You are being into some spiritual guidance, okay. So I feel that some of you could be taking guidance from some spiritual gurus about certain issues of your life, okay. And you are basically meditating a lot nowadays. You are into some kind of a meditation thing, okay. And for some of you, your person, your partner feels that you are maybe for some of your partner feels that you are into some discussions with certain people, or with some people, some certain group of people, okay. It could be related to your career, it could be related to your job, your finances, your money, your future, okay. It could be anything, okay. And on the other hand, you feel about your person as this Death card. I think that you feel about your person that something is end in their life, okay. Something has started in their life, okay. You feel that there is something, has a chapter of their life has been closed now, and some new chapters are about to begin in their life. So you see them, you feel that there is some new beginning in their life, okay, with this Death card. The mutual energy between you and your person is Justice, okay. So I feel that either you and your person is dealing with some, or involved in some kind of a legal thing, okay, legal issue. And some of you, either you and your person is connecting or contacting some lawyers, okay. You are in touch with some lawyers and something like that, okay. And for some of you, I feel that you guys are bringing balance into each other's life, although you are maybe not talking to your partners, okay. Maybe there is lack of communication in this relationship, but still both of you are still standing firmly to with your partner, okay. And you are bringing balance into their life. And for some of you, I feel that your person and you are going through some kind of a legal issues in your life, and soon you'll be served with justice, okay. If it is the case, then justice is going to be in your favor. And the future of this relationship is Wheel of Fortune, so that it means that some good luck is coming into your life with this relationship, okay. Some big news and big changes are coming into your life with this relationship, okay. And something big and magical is about to happen in this relationship for both of you, okay. So air sign viewers, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card, okay. And we have Taurus also with this Hierophant, okay. We have Scorpio as well in this reading with this Death card. Okay. Now let's take some divine angel messages for you. Let's see what divine angels are telling you and how they are guiding you. Okay. I have got 2 cards. Okay, so angels are saying trust and don't stop. So whatever you are manifesting in your life, okay, you need to trust the process, and whatever you are doing to get that thing in your life, then you should not stop at this point of time. Okay, so these are the angels messages for you. Okay, we'll also see some secret handwritten love notes for you from your partner's side. Okay, let's see what your partner wants to tell you secretly. So we have 1 2 3, and I'm going to take this one. So your person is saying, I'm much more me when I'm with you. Okay, this is the first message for you. The second message for you is, I love you to the moon and back. Third message for you is, I adore you. And the fourth message for you is, we have an unbreakable bond. Okay. So that was the reading for air sign viewers. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.